Louie. Louie. Come on. Here they come. There they come. Here they come. Here come your buddies. Here come your buddies. Ready to go? Come on, let's go. Here we go. Oh, Reg. You going too fast. You gotta wait for me. All right. So this is my casual go play at the casino look. Sweatshirt, leggings, and I love these Uggs. Like, people either love them or hate them. I got so addicted to them. I have so many of them. And the sweatshirt actually has something written on the back, and I'll try to insert a picture of that as well, because of course I can't record my own back. Hey guys, so it is Sunday morning, a little bit after 8 a.m. on November 14th, I believe, and I'm headed to the casino. I'm going to meet David. Gonna go play some pennies. I'm a cheap gambler. Me and Bree are going to this place downtown called Fremont Park. It's near the container park. We have a thing called Container Park downtown as well, to do a little photo shoot. So it's real pretty at night. So I'm gonna do a couple of looks. I'm gonna try to go around between 5 and 5:30, because it starts getting dusk around 5:30. So I want to get some pictures out there in the daytime with one look, and at nighttime with another look. So that's what's slated out for me today. Sundays are my free days, so I don't work out. I eat crappy. The rest of the week, I'm on it. I'm on point with everything. My workout, eating right, all of that. Sundays is just a little break. So that's pretty much it for my day today. And so I will try to remember to take you guys with me. So we were supposed to go last night, but it's Saturday. I don't hang out places where a lot of people will be on Saturday nights. Matter of fact, I just don't go out Saturday nights. So I told her, let's go ahead and do it Sunday. There'll still be plenty of people there, but I'm pretty sure it won't be to the degree that it would have been on a Friday or a Saturday night, because I also got to deal with parking and all of that, and I'm not trying to do that. Plus, you know, I'm bringing 2 outfits, so I need to be able to change. I just change in my car, y'all, so I don't want to have to walk a distance to my car in between changing clothes. Okay guys, I'm here where I'm at the Suncoast. David is already here. So let's go win some money. Say hi, guys. Hey, hey. We went in here?
No, we are not.
You so stupid. We will be. So guys, this is the machine I like to play, or David likes to play, but we both like to play video poker, so. All right, well, I'll get back with you guys in a little bit. Okay, all done at the casino. I doubled my money, so that's pretty good. And I'm gonna go home. I bought some Subway. Go home and eat. And then I'm just gonna chill the rest of the day until it is time for me to go do the photo shoot. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so I'm getting ready for, well, I'm already dressed for the first outfit for the photo shoot. I'm gonna go downtown, and this is the Beyonce dress, I believe, from Monroe Still, or should I say something by Sanji and Monroe Still collaboration. And as you guys know, Monroe Still is an amazing influencer. She is like the best to me. And I'm wearing these Christian Louboutin red bottoms. You probably can't tell, they're red bottoms. I love this dress, super comfortable. They have this little design thing going around here, and this right here is actually removable, so you can just have just the dress. Just, you know, you can take this off, but I thought it was pretty cute with it on, so I'll be leaving it on. I might do some pictures without it, but I like the way it looks. Okay guys, we'll see you in a little bit. Bye. No, that, are we walking through that? That looked like the devil. That's a vampire. Black people always being nosy. So we're done with the first look. Now I'm going to my car to change to do the second look. I'm trying this new, ooh, it stinks out here. Ugh. This new Merit foundation. I don't wear a lot of makeup, but according to Merit and my girl Dee Dee from the Luxury Hybrid, less is more. So what do you guys think? I think it looks okay. I think I did the color match pretty good too. This is cool. It's like the Paris thing with the locks. Right on time for this. Scared you, Bree? Scared me. I wasn't ready for it. So I wasn't expecting that. I didn't even know that that did that. I'm living here all my life and didn't know about that, so it kind of startled me when it first like blew up. Okay.